to the studio, a place of creativity, a place of inspiration. In rhythm, in lyrics, making music that stirs the soul. Welcome to the studio, creative Indonesian music, a place to create. Feel harmony with ideas, together to become extraordinary music. Yeah, everyone can create new rhythms, new sounds. Create unparalleled words to echo to Indonesian music. Come on, let's create something new. Voice your hopes, make them come true. For the